going. Let's do a spiel. Here we are, laying on the floor underneath a jet boat. Shark Customs. Share, like, subscribe. You've seen on the video. You got this big gaping hole. This is a Bombardier Sea-Doo, 5 or 6 person. You can see that I've cut a little bit of the trash. Somebody repaired this before, but I guess over the weekend it sank in the marina. I'm gonna guess their temporary patch ripped apart. I'll grab the light and you can see that there's a double, here I'll use the flashlight. It's all wet because the hull is full of water.